Howdy folks, this is Chris with The Lawn and Life. Thanks for coming back for another video. Alright, so we spend all this time working in the lawn, spending hundreds, maybe thousands for some of y'all on your lawn. And then you plant flowers in your natural areas, you work hard to keep nice edges, and then you have weeds and grass spreading into your natural areas and it doesn't look good. You can edge, you can go in there and hit it with your weed eater, but then if you have pine straw, it messes up the pine straw. Then you can go in and you can dig all the weeds up with your hand and everything like that, but if it gets bad enough, if you have a lot of rain, they can spread fast. I just wanted to show you a quick tip on how to kill the weeds without killing your grass or the flowers that's in your natural area. Okay, so here's one of my front natural areas. Grass looks pretty decent, it needs some water, but got the edge for the natural area, then you have all this grass because it's growing so fast. And then you got that, I think, spurge there. It gets all in your natural areas and it doesn't look good. Let me show you a quick tip on how to fix that. Alright, you're gonna need two products, actually two products though. Just whatever weed killer you want, Roundup. This is just a off-brand. This is Knockout. Don't worry about the brand, name brand. Worry about what's in it. This is 41% glyphosate, so to take care of those little basic weeds, and a little pump sprayer. But the most important thing you need for this simple way to kill weeds without killing your grass and flowers is a very expensive piece of old cardboard. Let me go show you. Okay, you're going to want to make sure that you follow the label directions when you're mixing your weed killer with the water. And then also, you're going to make sure you prime the pump on the tank. What I mean by that is pump it and then go off into a natural area you don't care about, or on a dirt spot or something like that, and spray it for 10 or 15 seconds to make sure any water just that's built up in the hose, you get that out, so you're getting a good mixture of the chemical and the water, and not just water that you're spraying on the weeds, because that will not be effective. Alright, so you got your cardboard. I have a grass natural area right here that I don't care about, or that I care about actually, so I don't want to get weed killer. So you put your cardboard right here in front of that, and then you start spraying. That cardboard's going to block any of the wind or blowback or anything like that from getting over on the grass. Or you can do it the opposite way. I have flowers right there, right here, and you can spray so it doesn't get on the flower. If it's an extra windy day, you still want to hold off. Even with a cardboard, you may want to hold off. But if it's just a normal day, this is a good, effective way to make sure you're not getting any blowback on your grass or flowers. Alright folks, that is going to do it. I appreciate you watching. If you have any questions or comment, do that below. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll put a couple of links for good weed killers in the description below if you're wanting to purchase some. I appreciate you watching. See you in the next video. This is Chris with The Lawn and Life. See you next time.